Hi guys, it's Adrian from the DNA team, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily extract information from your document using Eden AI. This video will be separated in 4 different parts. The first part will be about specialized parser, like financial parser or resume parser. The second one will be about custom doc parser feature. The third one will be about data extraction feature. And the last one will be by combining two features, OCR and CNER or custom name entity recognition. So let's dive into it. So the first thing we are going to see today is how to do it with specialized parser like financial parser or resume parser in Eden AI. So the first thing we are going to do, and it's the same for all the different way to extract information in your document, is to create a free account on Eden AI. You have the link in the description, and we are going to search for financial parser. We'll search for that. I will pick up financial parser. Here you have the interface. You have the live testing to try if this feature suits the best what you want to extract in your document. So I will pick, just for the demo, verify. I will add my invoice. It's just a dummy invoice. I will pick it, and I have the possibility to change the language and to change also the type of document. So I will launch it, and after a few seconds I can check on visual, and I have all my data extracted. Some stuff are not specially specified in the invoice, like currency. He has detected there is the euro sign, so he has understand that it's in euro. He has also detected all the different items in my invoice, so it's perfect. But we can do it in the platform with the live testing, but we can also do it in Python. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to copy this snippet, or we can go to check out the documentation, financial parser, and we can here fill the gap here. We can add a string for example. We can here add OpenAI if OpenAI is in the provider. OpenAI is not in the provider, but we can add Affinda here, and we can add multiple stuff to, and it will create your perfect payload for the request you want to make. So I will go back to here, copy this, and go here, paste it here. I will just change my provider as verify. Keep invoice, remove the fallback provider because I don't want to have any fallback provider. I will add my document here, so it will be invoice demo, and here I will change for verify, and I will relaunch it, and after a few seconds it has extracted all the different information about the customer information, the merchant information, and some stuff like that. If it has not detected, so it will fill the gap with known, fill the value with known. So that's how we do it with specialized like financial parser. I will show you also how to do it with a custom resume. So the second thing we are going to do with the specialized parser is to search for resume, and after that I will click on the feature, and I will have the same interface. I can scroll down to live testing, upload a CV or resume. I can see it's a dummy one, but it's be fine for the demo. I will just pick for this Affinda. Sorry, I will click on launch. So I can click on visual, see the result, and it has extracted all the different information about the resume, so it's perfect for me that I now have all the skills he has, all the different stuff. As the same as the financial parser, I can do it in Python. So I will click on local file, copy this, and paste it. Here on my resume.py, sorry, perfect. I can remove my fallback provider because I don't need to. I will just pick for that the CV to print. It's the name of my file, and I will just run it. Sorry, py resume. Yeah, it might take some time because they might have a lot of information to process. But now we have seen that he has extracted all the information we need. So now let's jump into the second feature and second way to extract your information into your document. So now for the second feature, so custom doc parser, I will search still on LNAI and feature. I will click on custom document parsing, I think, because it's asynchronous for this feature. So you will have to make a post request, and after that a get request. You will scroll down and go to live testing. I will pick my invoice, and I will just simply ask a question: what are the mission informations? So I will just pick Extractor for the demo. I will click on launch, and with here it's processing, so we could refresh the status. So when it will be ready, you will have the finished here at the state. So it has finished. Now we can click on results. I can click on see results, and here we have LNI, the company, where the company is located, the phone number, and the email of the merchant information. So perfect, it has extracted all the information. We can scroll up and go to the local file, copy this, and paste it, here. We can replace here my image, so I will replace the value to my invoice demo.pdf. I will replace it here not the Amazon. I will use Extractor or Extractor, yeah. Extractor, perfect. And I will change the query. So I will here change for what are the merchant informations. I can remove my second query, perfect. And I will be able to launch it. So I will run the custom doc parser. Your input is not valid. It must be a string of list. Yeah, so I need to keep this for my queries. And we have our public ID. So we will need to make a post request, get request, for that. So I will go to here, go to the check out the documentation, scroll down here, and go to get job result. I can just copy this. I can just copy this in Python, copy here, paste it in the bottom here. I can just make this all as comment. Remove the import request because we have already imported. So I will just here change my public ID to the previous value. I didn't copy it. Perfect. I will copy it now. Replace it here. I will make it work here. Response. Perfect. And now if I launch my file again, need either authorization. Yeah, because in my header I need to add this. So I will just copy this and add this to my header. I will launch my file. Error ID is not valid. Oh, I might have made a mistake. Maybe I should keep the exclamation mark. Yeah. And succeeded. So what are the modifications? A value, NNI, London, network, confidence, perfect. So we have still the information extracted. Because in synchronous you need to make two call, but you would be only billed for the post request, not for the get. So you can get it as much as you want. Because the data will not change, it's just in the post the data are extracted. So for the third feature, we can use to extract information into a document. We can use data extraction. So it's still in the OCR family, in the OTH section. And we can scroll down to a live testing, and I will pick still my invoice. And what data extraction do is it will return JSON with some keyword values that he found on the document. So for example, you have a table or you have some key values, for example, merchant, 2 points, the merchant information, sorry, or you have the tax 2 point, 20%. It will extract the data and will return you tax 2 point, 20%. So it might in some way might be very helpful to you to use this in different cases. If you don't have, for example, if you're not treating invoice, or you want to extract other information that are in the document structured with key values, you can use this feature. So I will launch with base64 as provider. It will take some time to process. After a few seconds, I will have my result. So yeah, perfect. I can click on visual, and he has detected that the name of the company, so the merchant is LNAI. He has detected the date, the phone number, as some stuff, and who is billing, with where the invoice has to be shipped, and the receiver name. So it has detected a lot of stuff, and it will return, as I said, key value JSON. So I will show you in Python. So I will do the same here. I can here click on check out the documentation, and I can add multiple things. I can still have my providers, the fallback providers. So if providers return an error, it will use the fallback provider. I can customize multiple things, and I will just go back here, copy this, go to my IDE, and I will change here to I remove the quotes, and I will pick invoice demo. Invoice demo, perfect. And I will pick for that. I will pick for base 64. Change it here to base 64. I'm in caps lock. Base 64. Perfect. And I can now launch my data extraction.py. And yeah, it has returned me an error, so I will just remove that base 64 for the moment and check out what it's saying. Yeah, I must remove the fallback providers because it's an empty string, and so it doesn't understand. So I will just go back and add my base 64 here.
And after a few seconds, yeah, it has extracted well all my data, the name, Elena Adrian, all the different stuff, the bounding box. So if you have, you want to identify where are the information, you have all, but it's the same in the other feature, but we will have the bounding box to make some optical recognition if you want to use it after that. And you have different information that are extracted and still in a key value, so name, value, Adrian, LNI. You have so a JSON that will be helpful to process and to extract the data and manipulate the data after that. And we will use finally the last feature, the combination of two features of LNI, so OCR is optical recognition, and also CNER. I already made a video about it, so it will be in the link in the description. But CNER is custom name entity recognition, so we will do that in the last part.
So for the last way to extract information into your document, we will use two features from AI. The first one is called OCR, so you will find it into document parsing section. I will click on OCR multi page and I will upload my file, invoice demo. I will pick just Amazon for that and I will launch the job. And as you saw, it's asynchronous, so we need to make a GET request to get all the information, but it has already finished. Perfect. Here is my text, and we will combine this text to another feature from AI that called CNER. After a few seconds, perfect, I can click here. I can add my text here. I can also add the two I want from this text to be extracted, only two things, the title and the phone number. Phone number. Add it, and I will just pick OpenAI for that. If you want to have a more precise, so I click on visual, perfect, it has actually well the information. If you want to have more accuracy, you can add some parameters, but I already made a tutorial about it, so be sure to follow the link in the description. So we saw how to do it in the live demo. I will go back to OCR multi-page and do it in Python for you. I will click on local file, copy that, go here, paste it here. I will check the path here to, oh, I removed this double quote. I will add my file, so invoice demo, perfect. I can launch my file. So yeah, I have here my public ID. So that ID I need to use to fetch my results. So I will go back here and go to check out the documentation. Here you can see all the different API calls you can make for OCR async. So I will go for this OCR get the job result. I'll paste my ID here. It doesn't take a single code, perfect. And I can go here, copy that, and paste it in the bottom here. I can just remove all the stuff or make it as a comment, perfect. And here I have already imported request, so I can remove that. I can pick rerun this file. Need authorization either. Sorry, I need to remove that because we already defined my header here. Okay, perfect. It has extracted all the stuff. If you want to be more clear, because like here we have all the bounding box, so I can use OCR that OCR here response text, but I will just keep that keep that. So I will go for raw text, copy that raw text here, sorry, copy that, paste the text here. Oh, text will be equal to that. Oh, we need to add my quotes. Perfect. Now that I have all my text, I can just put that all in comments. I can go back here and go to CNER. I can go to here, copy that. In bottom here, I can copy that. Already imported all this stuff. I can replace here the text with my text variable text. I can here replace all the data I want to extract, so the total. And here the phone number. I will remove the throwback because we don't need it. And I can rerun it. And after that, yeah, is extracted well the font number, the total, perfect. Yeah, it's extracted well. But if you want to be more precise, you can add some parameters, but I will not demonstrate you how to use the different example here. You can check out the documentation, but I've already made a tutorial about it. You will just need to add parameters like this, example here as this. And so that's will be the end for this video. Today I've shown you how to use ADNI to extract in 4 different ways your information in your document. If you have any question regarding ADNI or this video, feel free to ask them in the comment section. And that will be it for today. Have a nice day.